Hello and welcome to Declassified Life. How many times have you felt a name, a movie title, or that critical password slip your mind just as you were about to recall it? Or conversely, a jingle you heard years ago is stuck in your head forever. Most of us view forgetting as a failure of the brain, the inability to store information. Yet, science suggests that forgetting is actually the most important and critical job your brain performs. Forgetting is not just a malfunction, it is an advanced filter we use to survive. Today, we're diving deep into your brain's complex cleanup crew, why we need to forget, and how it pushes that secret forget button that nobody talks about. Your brain is a supercomputer, but it doesn't have infinite storage. Every day, we absorb thousands of pieces of trivial information. The license plate of the car next to you, the exact taste of your lunch, the font of every sentence you read. If we stored all these unnecessary details, our brain would turn into a junk heap. The scientific term for forgetting is synaptic pruning. Synapses are the communication points between neurons. The less you use a piece of information, the weaker that synapse becomes, and eventually, your brain prunes it, meaning it's cleaned out. Just like a gardener trimming weak branches to increase yield. This is the brain's strategy for making room for new and stronger connections. The overnight cleaning operation. So, when does this pruning happen? Mostly while you sleep. While awake, the brain constantly records data. When night falls, sleep enters a night consolidation mode. During this time, the brain reviews the information gathered throughout the day using the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. Information that is irrelevant or lacks an emotional reaction is discarded, while information tied to survival, strong emotion, or repetition is transferred to long-term memory. If you constantly suffer from sleep deprivation, this cleanup cannot take place, causing your brain to work slowly and inefficiently the next day. The secret power of forgetting, making space. There's an interesting experiment showing the benefit of forgetting. People are taught a list of words. Later, one group is specifically told to forget a portion of those words. Ironically, the people told to forget were able to learn the new information much faster and more efficiently. This is known as learned forgetting. The brain willingly pushes old information to the background to receive new and more important input. If we didn't have this ability, we would react to every new situation the same way we did before, never adapting to new conditions. Forgetting is actually the key to our cognitive flexibility. Traumatic memories and the amygdala filter. However, not all information is equal. Why is it so hard to forget traumatic or highly emotional memories? This is where the brain's emotional center, the amygdala, comes in. When information arrives, the amygdala stamps it as important and stores it with a powerful emotional bond. This is a survival mechanism. The amygdala commands the rest of the brain not to prune this memory. Therefore, we don't truly forget those memories, we just make access difficult. This is also a defense mechanism, the brain's attempt to protect you from the same danger. False memory. The brain recreates, not records. A subheading of forgetting is false memory. Our brain does not store memories like a video recording. Every time you recall a memory, your brain reconstructs it. And every time you reconstruct it, you change small details. This is especially relevant in eyewitness testimonies or childhood memories. Therefore, the more you tell a story, the further you might drift from the original memory. This is a shortcut the brain takes for efficiency. It stores only the main feeling and information, not the minute details. The main feeling. Can we control forgetting? So, where is this forget button? Recent research suggests that a region in the prefrontal cortex helps us suppress unwanted memories. This is the process called active forgetting. This is not about erasing a memory, but about making it passive, making it harder to access. Practical application: if you want to forget something, every time it crosses your mind, try to focus on something else. Your brain will realize that memory is not rewarding and will weaken the synapse over time. Conversely, to prevent forgetting something, you can protect it from pruning by associating it with emotion and new information. Our memories are skewed towards the main feeling and information, not the minute details. To summarize, forgetting is not a flaw, but your brain's way of optimizing itself. It grants us cognitive flexibility, emotional healing, and the ability to learn new things. If we lack the ability to forget, we could neither learn nor evolve. So, next time you forget something, thank your brain. It was just cleaning up. What is the one thing you wish you could forget? Where would you use the power of forgetting? Let's discuss it in the comments. In our next video, Declassified Life will uncover another unbelievable scientific truth hidden in plain sight. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.